What's good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you how we set up all those domino blocks with this little choo-choo train. That's right, we're going to be looking at the electric domino train. You get 160 pieces, although you can get one with 100 or 200 or more. 2 cartridges, automatically running. There is light and sound, and you get the mist spraying function. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? Today we're going to look at this electric domino train. You get 160 pieces. There is light and sound, and you get the mist spraying function, although you can get the ones that are cheaper without it. Zane already plays with these little things, so he's definitely going to like the domino effect. Alright, so here's your train. So provided you with a little baggie. Now this is where you put your blocks in. 2 cartridges. You can either remove this, stack them in this way, or you can put these in this way. And then they will just keep dropping as you fill them. There is a plug in front of the nose. We're going to take this out. There we go. And this is where you put your water. The little plastic bottle they gave you, you fill this up with some water and then you squirt it. Once you have some water in here, you plug this. The steam's going to come out of here with the LED light. So there's only one way for this to go in, like that. And that's all there is to it. Now, as the train is going, in order to change the direction of where the dominoes are, you just touch these. You see that? So you can control it with these wheels here as it's riding. So for example, so now you see that we have this turning, but if we want it to go the other way, you see that? So if we wanted to do a circle, it would create a pretty big circle, and then when that's just done, you gotta keep an eye on it and stop it. Alright, so that's out. So now we're gonna take this one out. We're going to take the next one and press that in and keep going. Now, you can stop it, put the cartridge back in, and just line it up right where the next one would go. Okay? And then we just turn this on. There we go. So we're finished with the amount of blocks that we have. Alright, so when you're done, you can just stack everything into the provided little baggie. And there you go. Zane already likes his little locomotives. And now we're going to take it one step further. We're going to take it one step further and we're going to do dominoes. Ready? Who's that? That's right. Yeah. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.